Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare a refreshing summer pudding using mango and tapioca pearl, which is also called as sago seeds. Let's check on the ingredients. 1 cup of tapioca pearl or sago seeds soaked for 1 hour, 1 mango cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons condensed milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 cup of milk and 2 cup of water. Into a pot, add 2 cup of water. Add tapioca pearl and cook on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until it turns translucent. Let's stir occasionally in order to avoid sticking each other. The tapioca pearl is cooked well and is transparent now. Add in 2 cups of milk. And mix everything together. And bring the milk to boil. Once the milk starts to boil, stir continuously and reduce the quantity of the milk. Milk is reduced in quantity and it looks creamy now. Let's add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Sweetness can be adjusted according to your taste. Add in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and continue to mix. For flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can even use cardamom powder. Combine everything together. This has reached into right consistency. Now let's switch off the flame and keep aside until it cools down completely. Next, I am going to roast some cashews and raisins. Into a tempering pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Roast the cashews until it turns golden color. Add some raisins and roast until it plump up. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. Tapioca and milk mixture is completely cooled down now. Mix gently. Add in the mango pieces. Mix and combine everything together. Add in the roasted cashews and raisins. Reserve some cashews and raisins for garnishing. Keep the pudding in refrigerate for 1 hour as it tastes delicious when served chilled. At the time of serving, garnish it with some cashew nut, raisins, pistachio and almond sliced. This is for sure one of the easiest and simplest pudding which you can make with easily available ingredients as mangoes are in season now. So what are you waiting for? Prepare this easy and delicious pudding and give me your feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for notification. Thank you. Bye.